Welcome to this guided meditation for calming your mind and finding relief from anxiety. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow your eyes to gently close. This is your time to release the weight of the day and find peace within yourself. Begin by taking a deep, nourishing breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold this breath for a moment, then release it slowly through your mouth, letting go of any immediate tensions. Let's take another breath together. Inhale deeply and exhale completely, feeling your body becoming heavier and more relaxed with each breath. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing all the scattered thoughts and worried energy you've been carrying. Watch them dissolve into the space around you. Allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm now. Notice the gentle flow of air moving in and out of your body. Feel the subtle expansion of your ribcage with each inhalation and the peaceful release with each exhalation. There's nothing you need to change or fix. Simply observe the steady rhythm of your breath. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head, like a gentle spotlight of attention, illuminating each part of your body. Notice any sensations present there, perhaps tingling, warmth, or pressure. Without trying to change anything, simply acknowledge whatever you find. Let this awareness flow down to your forehead and temples. Feel any tension here beginning to soften, like ice melting in warm sunlight. Allow this relaxation to spread to your eyebrows, your eyes, and the muscles around them. Your eyes can rest deeply in their sockets, all the muscles of vision completely at ease. Notice your cheeks, jaw, and mouth. If you're holding any tension in your jaw, let it release. Allow your tongue to rest gently in your mouth and feel the space between your upper and lower teeth. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders. So often we carry the weight of our worries here. Imagine these muscles becoming soft and pliable, releasing their grip on any stored stress. Let this wave of relaxation flow down your arms like warm honey, moving through your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, and finally reaching your hands and fingers. Bring your awareness to your chest and heart space. Feel the steady, reliable rhythm of your heartbeat, a constant companion throughout your life. With each beat, imagine it pumping peace and calm throughout your entire body. Allow your ribcage to feel spacious and open, creating room for deep, easeful breathing. Let your attention drift down to your abdomen. Notice how it naturally rises and falls with each breath, like gentle waves on a calm shore. Release any tension you might be holding here, allowing your belly to be soft and receptive. Continue this wave of relaxation down through your lower body. Feel it flowing through your hips, upper legs, knees, calves, and ankles, finally reaching your feet and toes. Notice the points where your body makes contact with the surface beneath you, feeling fully supported and grounded. Take a moment to sense your entire body as one unified field of peaceful awareness. From the crown of your head to the soles of your feet, you are present, relaxed, and ready to enter a deeper state of calm. Now, imagine yourself standing beneath an infinite night sky. Before you, a solitary tree reaches its branches toward the heavens, its silhouette dark against the cosmic canvas above. The air is cool and clear, carrying the fresh scent of earth and evening dew. As your eyes adjust to the darkness, countless stars begin to emerge, each one a point of light in the vast expanse. As you gaze upward, something magical begins to happen. The stars appear to move across the sky, creating luminous trails of light. These stellar pathways arc overhead like rivers of starlight, each one leaving a glowing trail in its wake. The tree's branches frame this celestial dance, its leaves gently rustling in the night breeze. Watch as these star trails paint patterns of light across the darkness, reminding you that even in stillness, we are part of a moving, flowing universe. Let this continuous motion remind you that all things, including any anxiety or worry, are temporary, always flowing and changing. Focus now on your breath as it moves in harmony with this celestial display. With each inhale, imagine drawing in the serene energy of the stars. With each exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Watch as your worries dissolve into the night air, becoming one with the darkness between the star trails. The tree beside you stands as a symbol of groundedness and strength. Like this tree, feel your own roots extending deep into the earth beneath you, while your awareness reaches upward toward the flowing stars. Notice one particularly bright star trail cutting across the sky. Its light seems to pulse with a special warmth, calling to something deep within you. This is your guardian star, a source of peace and protection. As you focus on its gentle radiance, feel its light pouring down through the branches of the tree, surrounding you in a cocoon of calm. Allow this starlight to enter through the crown of your head, filling your entire body with its peaceful energy. Feel it flowing through every cell, bringing deep relaxation and a sense of safety. The star trails continue their dance overhead, creating patterns that remind you of life's natural rhythms. Like these stars, you too are in constant motion, yet can remain centered and calm. The tree beside you stands unwavering, its branches swaying gently in the night air, demonstrating the perfect balance of movement and stillness. As you stand in this sacred space between earth and sky, silently repeat these words to yourself. I am grounded like the tree. I am flowing like the stars. I am safe in this moment. Let these words anchor you in the present, reminding you of your connection to both heaven and earth. Watch as the star trails create a celestial symphony overhead, their light painting stories across the dark canvas of night. Any thoughts that arise can be released to join this cosmic dance, transformed into streams of light above you. Feel the cool night air against your skin, the solid earth beneath your feet, and the vast space above you. You are held in perfect balance between these elements, supported and protected. The tree's presence beside you offers steady companionship, while the flowing star trails remind you that change is natural and beautiful. Take a few moments here to simply be, witnessing the continuous flow of stars and feeling the deep peace of this night sanctuary. Now, gradually begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice once again the feeling of the surface beneath you, the temperature of the air around you, and the gentle rhythm of your breath. The peace of the starry night sky remains with you, held safe within your heart. Slowly begin to awaken your body by moving your fingers and toes, gently rolling your shoulders, and taking a few deeper breaths. When you feel ready, bring some small movements to your hands and feet, reawakening your body while maintaining this sense of deep peace. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Know that you can return to this peaceful place beneath the star trails whenever you need to find calm. The steady tree and flowing stars are always there within you, offering their gifts of grounding and grace. Carry this sense of peace with you as you return to your day, knowing that like the stars above, you have an infinite capacity for light and healing. Thank you for sharing this practice.